Hello friends, we are out here at another flip house. This is the back side of the house and check out this view. On the bayou, we do have our new deck up. Wanted to just bring us out here, show you what it looks like before, and then of course talk about some of the things we'll do for after. This one is mainly just cosmetic, and we're really just looking for really budget-friendly ways to upgrade a property without having to gut it. It shouldn't take us very long, hopefully less than a month. We're on week 2, technically, of having the house. Let's head inside and check out what's going on. So you walk in to this mudroom / pantry, then into our kitchen, which is beautifully straight out of the 70s. It had wallpaper up, but we've already taken care of that. We have these beautiful yellow countertops, original appliances, which we're gonna leave because they work fine and I love them, which means we're probably gonna lean a little bit more into mid-century modern for this house. And then we'll spin around, go through these saloon double doors into the living room, which is a huge space. Definitely have a formal dining room in here if you wanted, but we plan to just set it up as a living room. We may repurpose the built-ins to keep something original, but these guys are not it. New flooring throughout the house, new paint, get rid of the paneling, and then we have this beautiful entry. And I actually love this wallpaper. It's got a hint of green, it's got these cream tones. So I actually think we're gonna leave this guy and play off of some of the colors. This is your laundry room, good space. We're gonna nix the green, the green floors. Down the hall to the right, we have a very green bathroom. And back behind the door, there is a big shower. Next we have bedroom number 1. Again, no lights, but it does have a really nice built-in, so this will make a good office or even a kid's room. And then back down the hallway is bedroom number 2. And then this is our master. A lot of great natural light. I love the patio entrance. And then we have this blue master bathroom. They actually took the light fixture here and in the other room. Now we get to work.